In today's video we are going to unbox the 1461 Becks by Doc Martens.
I can flow, how I can crash. Be water, my friend.
So peep the haircut DIY is in my next vlog. So yeah. Okay, so this is Doc Martens. This is the bag that it comes with. So this is how you receive these shoes. This is the classic Doc Martens Airwear brown bag, which I love. I love how simple it is. And I bought these, by the way. These were $9. They have the classic logo. I'm going to return them because they're too much for $9. Like, they're too little for $9. They're cheap and thin, and I'm going to return them. I know myself. Anyhow, so the shoes come in this box, the brown box, and you read right there, it says 1461 Becks Black Smooth, because sometimes the texture is pebbled, so it's a little different at times. I have the smooth classic version, and the size that I have is US ladies 6. I'll tell you a story about the size in a minute. Anyhow, so you see the logos everywhere, the website, the logo up top. When you open it, you see the paper inside, and then you see your shoes. So I'm doing it this detailed because this is what I see. I'm not an unboxing fan, but if you all are and you want it detailed, I'm going to do it detailed. So first thing you see is the tissue paper, and then the shoes peek out. And you have these beautiful, classic, basic beauties. And when I say basic, it is the highest compliment because it means classic whenever I use it. Like basic outfit, meaning jeans and tee. You know, very basic, very classic, very beautiful. This is the outside view of the shoe, the front toe view of the shoe, the bird's eye view of the shoe, the inside view of the shoe. I feel like I work for Zappos. The, I guess, heel, back of the foot view, the bottom view, classic. And that's it. You have your logo in there. Have the 3 eyelets or the 3 rings, I'm not sure what they're called. You can change the shoelaces. You can change it using other Doc Martens shoelaces, or you can just find your own shoelaces online or at any store, any shoe store. And that is it. There's not much else to say, which is perfection. It's just smooth, clean, classic shoe. It does give me like a little girl, little boy school shoe, and I love that about it. It's beautiful, it's classic. Like I mentioned, the only difference is it has a bit of a updated platform sole. Anyhow, so I tried these on in the store. I walked around a little bit. These are a size 6, I'm a size 7. My foot is very thin and small, so I could fit a 6, a 6.5 in regular size. So my issue is with my left foot is that if my toes are squished, meaning if the toe area of the shoe is narrow and my toes are squished together, when I walk, it's going to feel like I've pinched a nerve. It's going to have something like an electric zap feeling. It's uncomfortable, and so I try to avoid that by getting wide shoes or shoes that are bigger than my size, which is why I wear a 7 now. I used to be a 6, 6.5. Anyhow, so when I tried these on in the store, I tried them on with a thin cotton sock, and they were very loose. They even flip-flopped when I was walking around. I also tried on a 7, and the 7 was really big, so of course I chose the 6, which is known that you should size down if you are buying Doc Martens shoes. So when I get home, I realized that the thin socks are just not going to work for long term, like for winter. When it's really cold out, I don't imagine these things to keep your feet warm. So I went to Target and I got these thick wool socks. The brand is Alaska Knits Outdoor Crew. Well, the brand is Alaska Knits, and these are Outdoor Crew premium wool socks. So they are $8, I believe, and they are super duper duper thick, like really really thick and sturdy wool hot socks. I guess they're going to be really really warm, so keep that in mind. If your feet sweat a lot, your feet will be soaked in these. So I tried them on with these, and now they feel perfect, and perfect is not good for me. Perfect is too snug. So I felt a slight zap in my left foot in the toe area, like very faint. So I tried to keep the shoes on for an hour or two to see if they stretched out, because the guy that sold me these shoes at Doc Martens told me that they will stretch eventually. So just to take the 6. So I don't know what to do, because I'm going to wear them with thick socks. I know it. And I don't really know what to do. I don't know if I should go back and get a size 7. What I'm going to do is go back and try them on, try a 7 on with these socks and see what happens. So I would recommend you wearing thicker socks simply because these will make you bleed if you don't. It is very obvious from the moment that you try them on in the store that you will bleed. Like this area is going to hurt you, like you're going to feel it on your foot. And it's a really hard shoe, so it's not like it's soft leather and it's not going to bother you when you bend. You're going to feel that hard leather on your foot in that area. Also back here, this is going to cut you up. If it flip-flops on you the way it flip-flops on me, this area will have you bleeding within an hour, within a half hour. Anyhow, so be mindful of that. I suggest wearing thicker socks, or if you can kind of DIY a pair of socks, you can have thin socks, and then in the ankle area somehow like sew a thicker sock to that portion of the sock area so that you don't hurt yourself. But I do think avoiding the breaking in bleeding that people think is mandatory, I think it's avoidable. So so just try a pair of thick wool socks. Yeah, aside from that, I could get onto the styling now. They are beautiful, classic. So what I'm wearing now is a cropped sheer thrifted cardigan paired with thrifted Lee jeans. So I have tailored these. I have cinched them at the waist so they could be very form-fitting up top. I ripped a hole over the right knee, and I DIY'd the Lee logo in the back with a Q-tip and bleach. I removed the logo and did my own logo with Q-tip and bleach. You've seen this before. You've seen this top before. You know I'm all about recycling my outfits on here so that you can see how I can wear one shirt a million different ways, or a pair of jeans, you know, a million different ways, or basically turn it into a million different outfits. So this is your easygoing, classic, casual outfit. So the next outfit is a suit. So this is thrifted. It still has the cleaners sign from when I took it to the cleaners. So this is a form-fitting DIY miniskirt suit paired with the Doc Martens. You can wear this with stockings, but like I said, beware, it will hurt your foot. Or you can wear it with ankle socks, or you can wear it with crew socks if you choose. So this skirt and this blazer didn't actually come together. I bought this blazer skirt set with the skirt that it paired with, but then I broke that skirt and I went out and found a new matching skirt for the blazer. If you're the type to keep your blazer closed all day long, or if you're going for that blazer and bra look, the sexy look, that's cool. I get really hot, and so there's no way I can keep a blazer on all day long, especially a form-fitting blazer. So I would wear something under. I've chosen this Lacoste long sleeve shirt just because I'm in a rush and I grabbed it. So there's no real reason, and that is really how I get dressed sometimes. I just grab things and they just look fly together. So yeah, so I've chosen the lacrosse top under, but if you care about your look down to the T and you know you're going to take your blazer off, then put real thought into what top you want to wear under. The next outfit are white jeans and a vintage looking sweater. So this is one of my favorite vintage looking sweaters because it's really thin, and the other ones are like so vintage that they're as thick as 2 inches and it kills me. The vintage sweater paired with the white jeans. These are by the brand Gloria Vanderbilt. So RIP to her, she passed away a few months ago, and I wanted to do a video dedicated to her just because I love her jeans. Her jeans are flattering to the figure. Curves everywhere, beautiful. So RIP, thank you for dope jeans. And yeah, white jeans, high-waisted, form-fitting, and a raw hem. I gave them a raw hem. I think they have a rip or two in the kneecap. So there's one there. And another tiny one there. I do my DIY rips, and I like to make sure that they're not identical, so you won't have the same size rip. Anyhow, so like I said, the jeans with this beautiful vintage thin sweater with puffy shoulders. I like the colors on the sweater, so beautiful. Neutrals, you know, you have the honey, the blue, the black, the white, gorgeous. I love it. Paired with the Doc Martens. Again, it's a simple casual outfit, but it looks really nice. It looks different. It doesn't look like your classic jeans and tee. Of course, not that there's anything wrong with that. Next outfit, I wanted to make it really interesting with these 2 prints. I love this skirt. This is my favorite skirt. Every fall, every winter, it comes out for a nice little video. It is my my template for all my other skirts. So I found this one. My tailor did a dope job. My body looked sensual, beautiful, and curvy. And and so now I use this as a template. So every time I get another skirt that's a little too big for me, that's off, I take this skirt to him and I tell him, make that one like this one, and he does it. So if you like my mini skirts, it's because I've had them all beautifully tailored to fit my figure. So this is a houndstooth print mini wool skirt, DIY, thrifted, and well, tailored and thrifted. And this is the vintage looking sweater that we spotted a little while ago at the Goodwill. So I'm pairing this outfit with my Doc Martens because those Doc Martens look like school shoes. They look like private school shoes. So, you know, they have such a classic childish look to them that I thought I'll give it a cute little retro little childish outfit. Like this whole outfit to me paired with thick crew socks looks like picture day in the 4th grade. So the only thing that would be missing would be the white mandatory stockings that I had to wear. And if I had a skirt on, I had to wear if I had a skirt on, I had to wear white stockings. Anyhow, so yeah, so this is just a cute little throwback outfit. It does look interesting to me. It looks very pretty and precious at the same time. I even feel like it looks a little sexy. So if you don't mind wearing mini skirts in the freezing cold, this outfit is for you. Like me, I can wear mini skirts all year round. For our last outfit, we have these thrifted plaid pants. They are beautiful. Like, I didn't have to do anything to them. They were perfect, and that's not the case usually with slacks. So plaid, high waist, really form-fitting at the waist and at the tush area. And the only thing I did do was give them a raw hem, rough them up a bit, and a little hoe, a little ripping on the left leg. I'm pairing these with my sweater here, another thrifted item. Everything is always going to be thrifted. So thrifted gray sweater, really classic, really basic sweater. Gray, slouchy men's sweater, fits me nicely. It's a size XL, so maybe it's a woman's sweater, because if it was a men's XL, it would be way too big for me. Anyhow, classic little outfit, casual, cool, mellow, all in one. Very comfortable, very neat, very clean, very gray. So that is it. I hope that you enjoyed the styling and the unboxing. If you'd like to see more detail when it comes to the unboxing, please let me know. If you have a suggestion for a styling video, let me know. I am doing styling videos and then vlog videos, so I feel like that would be a good format for me. So 2 videos a week, styling, vlogging, you know, one after the other. If you'd like me to visit a specific place here in New York, let me know. I can include that in my blog. And if you have any style suggestions, let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you know a sneaky way to like work with the algorithm and get more views, let me know, because I know that I could get a lot more subscribers and possibly get paid and lead to like a greater job or something like that in New York if I'm out there, if people can see my videos. But I just don't know how to work the algorithm. Stay tuned for my next video, which is a vlog video, which is already in the chamber and ready to go, but I didn't want to double up on the vlogs. I wanted to give you a styling video in between. So yes, please stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.